It's time to activate vacation mode because our latest mystery bag from Ipsy is here, and this is the vacation mystery bag. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing, yet again, another mystery bag from Ipsy. This mystery bag is called Vacation Mode, and it is going to feature 5 full-size products inside of it. At least that's what it's supposed to feature. Whether or not it does, we will find out with today's unboxing. But we're going to go ahead and do a full unboxing and check out all of the products. We're going to look at everything together. If you're interested in this mystery bag, I do have a link listed down below for you. So for the first time ever, you guys, I was actually hopeful with a mystery bag. So on the Ipsy shop, you're able to leave reviews and, rate your mystery bags when you receive them. And at least at the timing of me making this video, it has all 5 stars. Granted, there's only 5 reviews right now, but I've never seen a mystery bag have 5 stars all the way across the board. So I was like, well, actually, I'm kind of excited. Like maybe, because I don't feel like the reviews are biased. Honestly, I feel like the Ipsy members are very honest, like brutally honest. And when you read the reviews, they're very accurate. So for it to say 5 stars, I was like, well, dang, maybe this is a really good one. So I'm more excited because of that, but now watch, by the time this video gets posted and I'm done editing it, it'll probably be tanked down to like a 2-star bag on the Ipsy reviews. But at least when I looked at it, they seemed pretty promising. So this is what the mystery bag looks like. It's so soft, you guys. Like, it's like plushy and fuzzy, and it's just the softest little guy ever. So this is Vacation Mode. I am pretty sure we've had this bag. I want to say this was an Ipsy bag that we had years ago. I can't remember when, but maybe it was with like the Icon box, or maybe it was the X, the Ipsy X box that they had. I almost wonder if that's what happened, but anyways, it's a gorgeous bag. It's all tufted and it's made so softly, you guys. Like, this is a really soft, plushy bag. You have a gorgeous burgundy zipper here with the Ipsy logo on the charm. It's good size, so you could definitely put a lot in here as well. You can travel with this. It also opens up really wide, so I like that this will allow you to see everything in place. Plus, you've got that same color on the interior. See what I mean though by this logo? Even now, Ipsy doesn't really use this logo on their bags anymore. They really don't put any logos inside. So that's why I think this is from a couple of years ago, which I don't mind because I do think it's a really nice bag, and I like the larger bags more so than the smaller ones anyway. So I do think the bag is pretty cute. All right, let's get into these 5 products. So my first full-size product that I have here is from Orza Beauty. This is the Sun-Kissed Baked Highlighter. But this is what it looks like outside of that. Now the only thing I'm questioning is if this is full-size or not. I would not put it past Ipsy to send us a sample-sized item. But then again, maybe this is a full-size product. I honestly have no idea. But doesn't this feel like something we would get in the Ipsy Glam Bag? Like, for those of you that have seen all of them, doesn't this kind of feel like it might be a sample? All right, this is what it looks like here, you guys. It's got an acrylic case. And then this is what your baked highlighter will look like underneath. I do like baked powders. I feel like they're very soft. They're easy to work with, extremely buildable, and very lightweight. So like it said, it is supposed to be a sheer formula. It's not supposed to have a lot to it. So, oh gosh, where did it go? Oh, there it is. It is sheer. I mean, it's a very sheer highlighter. I mean, you can barely tell that it's there. Now, this may work for some. For me, this is way too sheer. Like, I would rather it stand out a little bit more. It just, I don't know. It's giving me vibes that it's a sample, but maybe it's not. I'm just unsure. Next item inside of our mystery bag is from Estate Cosmetics. This is called Most Wanted, and it's the Liquid Lip Balm. So this is a hydrating lip balm, but it's going to be a liquid formula in the shade Priority. So here's what it looks like outside of the box. Now this looks like a full-size product. Like, without a doubt, I think this is on point. It looks the way I would expect it to. But let's take a look at our liquid lip here. We're gonna do a swatch right above this. Oh, this is glossy smooth. Definitely giving you a shimmer. There's more of a tint than I was expecting on that. But the shimmer is great. But I did not realize there was going to be so much coverage there. I like this better than the highlighter, only because the highlighter is non-existent. At least I can see this formula. The next item that we have in here is a brush. Really? Okay, this is annoying. So this is from a brand called Wing Me, and it is their Mega Blending Brush. I'm like gearing myself up. What bugs me about this is it's full size by default. They don't make any other brushes any other way. Like, this is full size by default. But the next thing is, this is found in the Ipsy glam bags. Do you know how many times I receive single brushes? I would feel differently if this was a set. Like, if we had a trio and it was all a part of a collection, I'd be like, okay, I get it. But to put this in a full-size mystery bag when I can get this in the Ipsy glam bag is super annoying. Like, I just don't think this should count at all, you guys. So it is a nice brush. When you're spending $32 on a mystery bag, I don't feel like brushes, single brushes that is, should be included in there. I'm really starting to question the reviews now on Ipsy. Like, guys, whoever left those reviews, I am not feeling 5 stars about this bag right now. Like, what were you thinking? So the next item that I have in here is from Lauren's. This is the Vanilla Almond Body Scrub. So it is full size. I mean, it looks full size at least. It says that this is a smooth finish scrub that has aloe vera and vitamin C in here. So this will give you glowing skin. It's going to make it softer afterwards and get rid of dead skin cells. It is cruelty free. Now they do show an expiration and a manufacturer date. So it was created in 2023, but you have until 2026 to use this product. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. It does mention that it's sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and paraben-free on the back. But I want to smell this. Okay, this is strange. I don't get the almond scent at all. And almond happens to be one of my favorite scents. In fact, you guys, my wedding cake was almond cake. It was so good. But that's another story. But this does not smell like almond whatsoever. It smells like vanilla, and it's got sugar crystals in here, so it's a very sweet vanilla. But I am not getting an almond scent whatsoever. Okay, I know this is going to sound terrible right now, you guys, but I am 4 products in, and I feel like I'm opening up a regular Ipsy glam bag. I know this is quite a bit larger than the usual Ipsy glam bag, but at least these feel like I've just opened up the smaller one. Last item inside of this mystery bag today is from Wander Beauty. This is their full-size eyeshadow palette, and the shade, or the palette name is called Trailblazer. Now this palette, I remember getting this in my BoxyCharm, I believe it was. But again, it's been a couple of years since I've had this product. This is a cruelty-free brand. I do enjoy some products from Wander Beauty. There was a while there a couple years back where Wander was putting out every single product they created in subscription boxes, and I was just getting burnt out of them. But I love their eye masks, and I also think their mascara is really good. Now this palette, it has a couple of shades that I really like. So I love this pink shimmer, and I also love this golden shimmer over here, but I don't really use any of the other shadows in this one. But this one does feature matte shades and shimmers. The shimmers are great at catching the light, which is what I love, is when something is bright and it will catch your eye right away. But these other shadows in here, the matte ones, I haven't really experimented with. They're just not shades for me. So I can't give you a review on these other ones, but I can tell you these two are stunning and easy to work with. Well, I don't know if I can trust the Ipsy reviews anymore, because holy bananas, this is not at all what I thought was going to happen today. So that is everything inside of the vacation mode mystery bag from Ipsy. Again, if you guys are interested in this bag, I'll post a link down below. Keep in mind it is a mystery bag, so they could vary, but this should at least give you an idea of what to expect. Usually they're very similar. We may just have like 1 or 2 items that are different. But I feel like I like some of these products. I like the palette a lot. I also think the lip product, honestly, is not that bad. I kind of like the shade on here too, so I like that one. But like I said, I'm questioning the highlighter, if it's actually full size or not. I'm disappointed with the brush by a long shot, just because I feel like that's ridiculous. And this is a little disappointing because it doesn't smell like it should smell. So I'm disappointed with this one today. I mean, truthfully, you guys, like, I look at this and I'm like, wow, $32 on here for me to like, what, 2 items out of this entire bag? That's not so great. Now, in terms of a reviewing aspect, if we take out my own personal feelings on here, I still don't know that I would recommend this at $32. I think the palette is good. If you will use every shadow and you love the palette, that will definitely help pay for this mystery bag. But I just don't know if these are worth even that $32 price point, because I know these single brushes go for $3.50 in their shop, $3.50 if you want to buy them. I'm sure the Estate Cosmetics and the Orza Beauty here are probably going for $3.50 a piece as well. So I just don't think this is worth as much as they want us to believe it's worth. But that is what my thoughts are today. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of this mystery bag? So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!